Hey John, I had to come back to take care of this business today. I think we overshot this car. It came even above my expectation. I mean, that's what you get when you do a good body work coupled with good product, coupled with good preparation, coupled with controlled environment that's really clean, like our booth, coupled with just everything came together with this car, man. I think it's the old man was pulling for us, but nonetheless, man, this car's done. It looks beautiful. It looks spectacular. Look at the hood. You can play ice hockey on that.